Everybody's staring at us.
Because it says beep.
Go to the cheese. Go to the cheese. Go.
Hey, I'm making a whole chicken tonight. Smoky ranchero or butter and herb.
Or, hey, get off my head.
Or chipotle pepper.
Chipotle pepper.
Chipotle pepper.
No.
What do you want?
What was that lemon stuff?
Then I know.
How about this garlic and herb? This one?
That'll work. That'll work. That'll
Okay,
work.
fine. Can we go get? She's dancing. Mama, can we go get some cheese? Oh, babe, but we are. I'm gonna hit her butt. Aiden, keep the video going. I'm gonna hit her butt sometime. Quit walking so fast. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna hit you in the butt.
Hello.
I'm gonna hit you in the butt. This is so slow. It's so slow. Hit her in the butt.
Energy. Wait, that's protein. Alright, don't do that. You're gonna break it. Alright, let me get off. Get off.
Aye, get off of me.
Hey, I want a hoverboard. I'm gonna be riding around Walmart.
Mama, we need to go get my chips.
We need batteries too. I want some chips.
Go get your chips.
Alright, I'm gonna go get chips too. Okay.
Put them in the basket.
Stop videoing yourself.
No, it's good. It's going. Go, go. Why is this thing so slow?
Because you're fat.
Go faster.
Damn, Daniel.
What are those?
What? That has no.
And it's
What? Okay.
This little dude is awesome. He's like, I like him too. You got the brown socks on.
Let's go.
You got the brown socks on right there. With the all that Nike. I like the on the right foot.
Okay, I said one thing and this turned into a roast session. I'm leaving. Peace.
Aiden, over here.
Hey,
The chips are that way.
you were gonna make the milk fall off.
I'm gonna make a what?
You're gonna make the milk fall off.
Milk?
Yeah.
Oh wait, there's milk in there? We need Mama. We found the mother. We found the mother load.
I just had a roast session with some guy.
Yeah.
I said,
Damn,
Daniel.
Nacho cheese, jalapeno pepper.
I don't want none of those.
Can I get a small bag of chips?
Just get these. They're the same thing. They're just cheaper.
But I want some Funyuns.
Where did we get it from?
That was funny. Mom, I want some Funyuns. I want some Funyuns.
Aiden,
No,
right
I'm
there.
just getting one bag of chip right now.
Okay, fine. Give me my Doritos.
Yo,
Does
Dorito.
your dad want to
Let's
come
get the
too?
ranch dip hot wings.
No, Dad wants these.
No, ranch
ones.
dip.
I think Dad wants these.
Ranch dip hot wings.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
bro.
thought they were mine. No, wait. Those spicy ones, Aiden.
No, ranch dip hot wings are better.
No. Give me those hot ones on the bottom.
These hot ones.
Haven't seen you yet.
Why don't you get the ones over there that are thin?
Because they're not hot.
Because they're not Doritos.
These things.
Woo! Doritos!
Those are
They have a They remade the Takis right here.
Wow. Wow.
That's some stealing, bro.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. They going to jail.
Nilla wafers.
What are those? Do we get free chips? I mean, free cookies? I want free cookies.
He said I came back.
Aiden, I'm gonna hit you.
Hey, Mom, batteries.
Battery. Bro.
You're just running your dad
Here.
down because you're just sitting there videoing yourself.
Damn, bro.
That's how
You're
they.
not that cool.
I am very cool. She's so mean.
You're not that cool.
The mama start dancing again.
Bye. I don't like you guys. Hey, I'm such a thug. I put the marshmallows where the sprinkles were. I'm a thug, bro. I put the marshmallows where the sprinkles are. Hashtag thug life.
Marshmallows where the sprinkles are. They put the salsa where the...
Hey. Smack him.
Ow! Ow!
He's creeping out, you.
I got him. Why is this thing so slow?
Cause you're fat. Hey, Keegan.
No, put the chocolate syrup where the bagels are. Put them where the bagels are.
We need chocolate syrup
Not right now. I'm grocery shopping.
for ice cream, bro.
I'm
No.
only getting what I have to get right now.
What if Walmart doesn't stand till tomorrow?
Then you won't be chocolate syrup if everything's fine.
But no, we will live, but Walmart won't.
Okay, so it's supposed to storm, and I got out of school early. And yeah, that was pretty fun. Because it's about to storm early. Hopefully, it storms. Or else I got pulled out of school for no reason.
Because you're complaining why?
I had band class.
Oh, I forgot. That's the one class you don't try to ditch out on.
I never ditch out of class.
Whoa.
When did I ditch out of class?
Said no one ever.
Hey,
Spinach.
Mom,
Spinach.
look, a cucumber.
No, Aiden. Forget to put those little things right next to it.
Why would you say what are those as soon as I said damn to anyone?
Oh no.
There's like two completely different things.
No, you can say what are those to everything. Like, what are those? The flip-flops. Ah. Oh my god.
You're retarded.
So fast. Once you go fast, but so slow. Why are you feeling...
Hello. Mom. You should get Peyton some halos since she's such a demon.
So slow.
She needs some. Shh, I'm gonna leave. Hello. My brother doesn't know it. I'm back. Don't leave me, mother. Mom. Don't leave me. They left me. My mama doesn't love me.
Nobody loves you, Aiden.
Took you this long to figure that out?
She's so mean. Can I get a soda?
No.
Please?
Stop.
Stop. What? Skittles. Skittles.
They got them
Skittles. Oh, look at these Skittles.
Those aren't Skittles.
They're Skittles to me.
I want some Skittles.
Oh, they changed from peach flavor to lemonade. I saw these Skittles. Skittles.
Skittles.
Skittles.
Skittles. They're mosquitoes.
Bye, Mom.
Aiden.
You.
Aiden, they're
Peace.
mosquitoes.
Your Skittles.
Skittles.
Peace, bro.
Because I cannot use this outside. Alright. Time to go park.
Go get a basket. Skittles. Keegan, you can take it this way too. She's just going in circles. What? Alright, well that's the end of that video. See you later. Peace.